Standard 6th English Grammar, Chapter number 2, Framing Questions. Hello children, today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is framing question. Now what is a question? A question is a group of words which is asking about something. And what is framing? Framing means to form or to make. So today we are going to learn how to form a question. Now before I could start, I want you to write some 5 questions on your own. After you finish writing, you will just check the first word of each question and you'll find most of the words are starting with WH. They are called as WH questions, or they are also called as interrogative words. So let us see, children. We have learned to frame questions using interrogative words. Interrogative words, example, what, when, why, who, where, whom, which, whose, how. Mostly you can see the words are starting with WH. So they are called as WH questions or interrogative words. We have learned to frame questions using interrogative words. Another way of framing questions is by using the helping verbs do and be. For example, do you like reading? Your do is a helping verb and you is a subject. We add does for a singular subject. Example, does Rupal walk to school? Your Rupal is a singular subject and does is a helping verb. We add the verb do for a plural subject for pronouns I and you. For example, do you walk to school? Your you is a pronoun. We use the verb did with a singular and plural subject to form past tense. For example, did Julie invite Winnie to the party? Your Julie is a singular subject. Please note, when a question is framed with the helping verb to do, the main verb is always in the base form. We use the verb is with a singular subject and are with a plural subject and with the pronoun you. For example, is Julie a good dancer? Are Nikki and Ricky coming to the party? For the singular pronoun I, we add the verb am. For example, am I coming to the market too? Your I is a singular pronoun. WH questions. Now what are WH questions? When you want to derive an information. For that reason we are using WH questions. Like for example, when, who, whose, what, why, which and how. W means the questions which are starting with W and H means the questions which are starting with H. Now here the first one is when. When is basically used to know about the time. For example, when will you come to my place? Second one is who. Who is used for person or people. It can be used both for singular and plural. For example, who is he? It is used for a singular thing. And second is who are they sitting in the car? This is for plural. Third one is whose. Whose is basically used to know about the belongings. For example, whose is this book? That means to whom does this book belong? Whose is this book? Fourth one is what. What is used to know about the object, idea, and action? For example, what are you going to do? That means you wanted to know about the action, or you wanted to know about the idea, that as to what he or she will be doing the next. Fifth one is why. Why is used to know about the reason. For example, why is she late? You wanted to know the reason behind it. Sixth one is which is used to know about the things. Now here there is a homework for you. Exercise number 1. Frame the questions of the following. Here I have given you the answers, but with the help of these answers you have to frame questions. Thank you.